you want cake, but you suck at decorating. Keep it casual with a spoon cake. So a spoon cake is like the love child of a trifle and an icebox cake. It's whipped cream and cake layered together and, well, you eat it with a spoon. No worrying about stacking layers of cake or frosting the top and the sides. It's easy assembly, easy storage, easy serving, easy eating. You can keep it family friendly with just some whipped cream and cake, or you can make it adult friendly and add a simple syrup with some rum in it, or any booze you like. Start with a deep casserole dish. You're gonna layer in some whipped cream with the back of a spoon. Once you have that layered in, you're gonna put a slice of cake. Now we rinse and repeat, so add another layer of whipped cream. If you have leftover cookies like I do, you can crumble them into the whipped cream at any point. Add another layer of cake, and if you're using a syrup, go ahead and spoon it over top. Once you're on your final layer, spoon on top some whipped cream and call it a day. Let this sit in the fridge for 4 hours. I know, torture. But you want the cake to absorb some of that liquid so it sets. It makes it more spoonable in the long run. So it makes it a great make-ahead cake. Make this maybe the night before, cover it, put it in the fridge, and then tomorrow it's ready when you are. I'm Allie, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Lifehacker for some more food videos like this one.